Here's a look at a recent dry ice blasting project we completed on a 4x4 chassis. As you can see in the before footage, years of built-up dirt, grease, and grime had taken a toll. Using advanced dry ice blasting technology, we were able to safely and effectively strip away the contaminants, without the need for harsh chemicals or abrasive methods. The result? A restored chassis that's clean, preserved, and ready for the road ahead. Another example of how dry ice blasting delivers powerful results, fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly.